inefficient networks are at risk for security breaches, lost labor, or even worse, going down and bringing your business to a halt. Here at IT Proactive, we offer complete networking services. Whether you need a completely new network installed or are just looking to upgrade or scale your existing network to accommodate your growing business, we can design a secure network infrastructure that solves your company's IT needs. We design and install all network components: cabling, routers, switches, servers and workstations, LAN and WAN components. Our engineers are highly experienced in network architecture and computing technologies that require a great deal of expertise and up-to-date knowledge of industry best practices. After the initial installation, we'll also provide network maintenance plans for optimizing the performance and life of your network, as well as keeping your network available.